Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Guys, let me share with you a favorite recipe of mine, a delicious spread that I like to have, especially with rice cakes. And not only that, also with homemade focaccia is also great. And if you never had it, most definitely you have to try it. It's called Hummus. Is a deep spread or savory dish made from cooked, mashed chickpeas blended with tahini, lemon juice and garlic. It is popular in the Middle East and in Middle Eastern cuisine around the globe. Please, if you never did this spread before, you should definitely try it. I will promise you that it is absolutely delicious and amazing. Your time will be worth it, especially that it is very easy to do. Please check the list of ingredients and preparation mode, both English and Romanian, in the description of this video or first comment, and let's do this delicious healthy spread together. You would need canned chickpeas that are already boiled. You can also do the traditional way in boiling your own chickpeas. However, I wanted to go over that step and I'm just using canned chickpeas this time. Very important matter is that you have to remove all the shells from your chickpeas, and in order to do that you have to use a bigger bowl in which you put lots of water and you are rubbing with your hands the chickpeas so that the shells are completely removed. It will take about 10 minutes of your time. This is, to be honest, the most tedious part from this recipe. Next, using a powerful blender, you just add the ingredients. First, you add the lemon juice with the garlic and the oil and you pulse that a little bit to shred them out. Also, you can add the salt. After we shredded these ingredients, we add the chickpeas. One small detail: it is very important to know your blender. You will know if you can blend more dried ingredients than, let's say, the usual, because if your blender is not that powerful, what I recommend to you is to use smaller portions and just blend them little by little and mix all that together in another big bowl. I'm lucky, my blender is big enough and powerful enough. Even so, I still need to use a spatula to help my blender mix everything. Yeah, so what I did, I just basically added my chickpeas, my tahini sauce and a part of the water and started to pulse it little by little. Okay, at each step, when I felt it is necessary, I added more water and also mixed with my spatula to help my blender to mix. So don't be afraid to add water. It's up to you. You don't have to make it that thick. You can have also a thinner hummus. It's still great. Personally, I consider that mine came out just perfect using that amount of water that I put inside the recipe. However, feel free to adjust the recipe according with your needs and your tools that you're working with. Okay, now that our hummus is all blended together, I'm checking to see if I have any lumps inside of it, to see if I have to do another blend. And yes, we have no lumps. This means that my hummus is ready. I prepared a bowl in which I poured everything, and after that I have chosen my toppings. For this recipe, as toppings, I use 20 milliliters of olive oil, extra virgin, around 5 to 10 grams of chimen powder, 5 to 10 grams of sumac powder, and 5 to 10 grams of sweet paprika. And for extra flavor, I added some fresh parsley leaves. And that's for you to decide, guys, how much of these toppings you would like. I can only say that they are great and they smell so great and delicious. So feel free to, experiment and define your own taste with your hummus. Yes, I like greens and I like parsley in this recipe because it really gives a nice aroma and not only a very nice aspect. So feel free to use 1, 2, 3 leaves or lots of leaves according to your taste, guys. Feel free to customize your hummus and most definitely you will enjoy it at the most. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I post new videos every week. See you next video. Stay healthy. Bye.